Hello everyone, welcome to Jerry's Business Software YouTube page. Yes, so today we're going to go through an interesting feature in Zoho Books called the customer portal. So you have your customer, right? Uh, you've been sending them invoices, they pay you, the this whole back and forth. So as you can see on the screen, this is a fictional company, Agency X, which is an advertising agency. So what if we could have our customer also log in on a customer portal on their side and able to see the invoices that they have received from you, what they have paid you, and they're able to see this whole trail where you can communicate, they can upload documents, receipts, and they're able to have this centralized interface with your business really. So it would really provide value to the customers to be able to see their journey that they have moved with you as a company, as a business, as a startup, and be able to also give them valuable information in a centralized place. So let's dive right into it. So to set this up, the customer portal, we start from the customer accounts. So if you look here, these are items, these are sales, these are drop down lists, purchases, accountant. So it's here in sales. We come here, customers, we're able to see our customers that we have set up in the system, Meta Inc., Offer Corp. So we just select the customer, the client, and we're able to see this whole bit. Info about them, comments, transactions. Of course, I've set up a number of fictional transactions, emails, statement of accounts. It's really organized. So here, when you look at this page, you can see, you scroll down, this is Epsilon Enterprises. See address, shipping address, other details. Now you can see here portal status. This is the customer portal, disabled. Then you can see, you're seeing this whole trail that I set up of transactions. So invoice, contact person. Alright, so if you come up here, you can see invite to portal. I click this. So on their side, there's an email address first of all configured for this Epsilon Enterprises in the account. You can see it here. So they're going to get an email on that will give them a login detail, a link to log into the portal, a username, and will set up there, and they'll be able to set up their initial password to log into the portal. So now let's go to the customer side. For this exercise, I'm going to use one account where I have access to an email on the customer side, and we'll see how it looks. All right. Back right at it. So this is the customers side. This is actually the portal. This is how it looks when you have logged in. When they have been able to get the email, they have clicked on the link, and they have been prompted for a initial password. This is how it looks. So I chose this customer because I already had access to this email and I received it, and I've logged in, and this is how it looks. So you can see their details. This is their name, the emails. So they're able to see available credits that they have, able to see the balance that that's pending to be paid to you. You can see the invoice here. This is the last payment they made for this service, and able to actually click on this, and then you see they are able to see the invoice. So normally you have sent these invoices on email and all that, but now if all this is in a centralized place, but see it's really organized. So last payment made, payments that are due, yeah, their details, company. Then go back here, you can see they're able to upload. Now let me say they've made payment for this invoice INV 000000. So upon that payment, they're able to upload the bank payment slip. So, and on your side you're able to see it. So you can see here, upload documents, and yeah, it's really clean. It's really clean. To send an email to you, just subject, let's see, well received the invoice. Yeah, so this would now send you an email directly. I have received the latest invoice. So you really see it's really a clean setup, the customer portal. Able to see the invoices, see due today, the payments they have made this 1st November, and the statements of accounts, the opening balance. So as you can see, it's really a nice setup. So this is the customer portal, and this value would really, it's a valuable addition, I'd say, to your customers, to your clients, and that they're able to now tell a story, to see the story of their journey with you, in that they have walked this journey with you, they have received these payments, these are the payments that have made to you, these are the services they've received from you. So, and able to now see in the future, like, oh, actually got this invoice, I paid this. So that relationship, it speaks to your relationship with your different clients. Yes, this was it. Thank you for watching this video. Yes, looking forward to the next great Jerry's Business Software. See you.